In this video, I'm downloading and installing Eclipse on a Mac. So you want to go to eclipse.org /downloads. If you just go to eclipse.org, the download button's over here. You want to scroll to Get Eclipse IDE 2021-12 and click this button here and then download. For the Eclipse installer, you might want to save it instead of opening it with the disk image mounter. Sometimes the installation fails because the download takes too long, and then you have to run it again. So rather than downloading, or rather than running it with the disk image mounter, you might want to save the file. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to run it. So just double click the Eclipse installer, open. Okay, so you want to pick Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Do not pick the one for enterprise Java developers. You want the Eclipse IDE for just for Java developers. Here, it's going to look for a JDK installed. So you need to make sure that your you need to make sure that you've already installed the JDK first, and it should find a suitable Java runtime environment if you've done that already. The installation folder, it will install into your home folder under the folder Eclipse, which is probably where you want it. So just go ahead and click install. Now the installer downloads a lot of software on the internet. So depending on how fast your internet connection is, this may take longer than what you're going to see here. It can also occasionally fail if things take too long. So you may need to run the installer more than once. All right, if the installation succeeds, you should get this message up here. I'm not going to launch it right now. I'll show you how to use Eclipse in another video.